Now that so many things have been working already, I would like to start on doing some cleanup. First of all, these things work so far, so I know how to take the user's input, store information in the dictionary, how to append the dictionary, how I know how to open or create a JSON file to store my data collection. I want to clear the screen, display the menu choices, and then I'll be checking if it's working or not. But how do I clear the screen, and how do I display the menu choices? So clearing screen is quite simple. What I discovered is that I can import OS module, and there's a command clear in Linux or CLS in Windows that can clear the screen. Second is the system module, which allows to exit program. So if I go back to the top of my program, first of all, I moved import JSON to the very top as recommended by programmers, to the very top of my code. And in the section variables and data structures, I created a menu variable which has assigned formatted structure multi-line string that looks like this. Apparently in Python I can create a multi-line formatted structure using triple quotes or triple apostrophes like I used here. So you open this multi-line thing with triple apostrophes or triple quotes, you end this with triple quotes, and in between you can format structure like this, which should nicely display the menu for the user. For now, I will only use the last option, Q for quit. So how do I first of all clear the screen? So this is the menu, save. In order to clear the screen, I need to import another module, and it's going to be called OS. Operating system module allows me to use a bunch of commands that the operating system has, such as clear for clear screen in Linux, or CLS for clearing screen in Windows. So if I go back to my code, now I can say here the first thing the code is going to do is going to clear the screen. How do I do that? Once the module has been loaded into Python, os.system, and in the parentheses the command, the operating system command. In Linux it's clear. If you use Windows, you can use CLS instead. That should clear the screen. The second thing I want to display is basically the option Q for quit. So if I want to do that, here's going to be my command. First of all, I need some input from the user. Maybe let's go for menu choice. So we'll create variable menu choice, and we will take input from the user. Enter your option. So if that option is going to be Q for quit, if menu choice provided by the user underscore choice is equal to, so double equal sign means is it equal to, like other than, not equal, greater than, greater or equal to. So in my case, is it equal to exactly the Q letter? Well, let's import system if menu choice is equal to Q letter. What we're going to do is we're going to say system do exit. So Python should exit. So we clear the screen, we take the user's input, and we will exit if that choice is the letter Q. However, we need to import the system module into Python, save this. So that should work. So we import the system module, save this. And if that option user provided is Q, the system should exit. Let's verify if the code is working. So Python 3 movie collection. So the first thing that should happen is the system should clear the screen. I didn't display the menu. Little mistake. Should print menu. That's why I'm double checking what I'm doing. Print menu. So this is the string, multi-line string. Then we're going to take the user's input, and then we're going to decide to quit if that letter is Q. Okay, that's better. Okay, so yeah, the screen was cleared. The movie collection database is displayed in the menu, and if I enter option Q, it should quit. In the next videos, I'm going to be tackling the other options, and it works.